Hey y'all, it's your girl Amori and I'm back at it again today. We are washing and styling my daughter's dreads. We're going to interlock them and then we're going to do a petal ponytail. So here y'all can see I'm scrubbing the shampoo in. After I do that, I'm going to condition it and now I'm washing everything out. Another way to clean your dreads is by using apple cider vinegar, letting the dreads soak in it and then washing that out also. This detoxes your dreads very well. Now this is the braid gel I use and I section her hair off in small sections, cleaning her parts using that braid gel, just separating everything. Now this is the needle I use. I put the needle in, I go across and up and down, across, up and down. I like to always end down because that's just always the best direction to end in. Or you can end in any direction that you want your hair to fall, depending on the style that you're getting. So here it's zoomed in a little more. You see me putting the braid gel on. And now I'm separating her hair, getting the parts straight before I get ready to twist them. Now when I say twist them, I mean all of the straight hairs on the dread. I put a little gel, not a lot, just a little bit, and I twist them around all the way down. And then after I do that, that's when I go into the interlock. The interlock needles I'm using, I got off of Temu. They give you a lot of different sizes. I love using the skinny ones, but I didn't have my skinny ones at the shop with me, so I had to use the fatter one. Now when you do the twist down in the interlock, it lasts way longer than a regular retwist. So I prefer this method. You could do it in any order. On some of them, I was doing the interlock first, and then on some of them I would do the little twist down, then I would do the interlock. It just really didn't matter. It takes the same amount of time. I've noticed that a lot of locticians do the palm rolling method, but for the life of me, I cannot do the palm rolling method. It does not work for me. When I do it, the hair doesn't lay down. So I just use my two fingers, my pointer finger and my thumb, to twist the hair all the way down. Now here I'm showing an example. When I'm going to the side, the needle can no longer go through. So make sure you don't hurt your client when you're trying to put the needle through. If it doesn't go through, that's fine. Just go on to the next thread. Now, interlocking lasts my daughter up to like 6 weeks, and a retwist usually only lasts her about 2 weeks. So we always prefer to interlock her hair, then retwist it. So I do her interlocks every around 8 weeks. As y'all can see, I had her going through the phone to look for a hairstyle to choose with her dreads, and she was like, "Mommy, I've worn every hairstyle, like I really don't know what to do." So the last time she got petals, it was in 2 ponytails. So this time she decided to just get 1 ponytail with the petals. And I decided to leave the sides down, just for a cuter look. Now we're at the top of her head, finishing the last 3 dreads. Now here I'm going in, I mousse her hair all over, and then once I mousse her hair, I get the blow dryer. I put a little heat protectant on there before I use the blow dryer. Then I'm going to stretch her hair a little bit because her hair shrinks. So I stretch it out a little bit since she's getting petals. And to do petals, most of you know you have to have, some length on your hair. So I just stretched it out maybe another 2 inches so her dreads could be a tad bit longer. When you are doing the blow dryer method on your dreads for more length, please do not put the blow dryer directly on the person's dreads because you can burn their hair. So keep the blow dryer at least 4 inches away from their hair. Now here I'm putting her hair up into a ponytail. I have her holding it in different areas to keep her hair from sliding out because her hair is very thick. So I'm having her help me and hold it. So the next part, I'm just going to show you a different angle. I'm doing the exact same thing, but it's just a different angle of the front. This is more of the back, and the next angle will be of the front. And now that I've got her ponytail in, the dreads that are sticking out, I'm going through just pulling them all up into the ponytail. And here is the front view of me doing the exact same thing. Now we are starting with the petals. So when I do my petals, I always do them where the tips are facing the inside, and I go in with the rubber band after folding the hair in half. Always face the ends to your petals to the inside of your ponytail because you can hide them way easier when you face them inward. And as y'all can see, my daughter's hair is brown on her tips and black closer to her roots. We have never colored her hair. Her hair is just that color. She has like a natural ombre, I guess. Now just keep folding your petals. Fold those dreads in half all the way around that ponytail to get them all put together. Now once you get to the end pretty much of all the long pieces that you folded over and made into the petals, then you want to go back in your ponytail and look for the short stringy pieces that are sticking out. Then you're going to fold those in half also. Here's where I'm showing how I'm folding the little itty bitty pieces that were left out into more petals. And now I'm going in and put my girl beads on. We decided to do clear beads because clear goes with everything. So I'm putting her 4 clear beads on each side of the 2 pieces that I left down. I'm having to hold her hair right for her to get her beads on because she was sleepy and I was sleepy too. And these are my baby's final results. I hope y'all liked it, and I hope y'all have enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.